Hey everyone, welcome back to Sydney Trains Vlogs and welcome back to another Parramatta light rail stop update. This time we are at Ngara, spelt N-G-A-R-A. It is a Darug word meaning to hear or to listen. Quite an interesting stop name. I actually had to look up. It took me about 10 minutes to find how to pronounce it, but it's pronounced Ngara, so G is silent. Alright, this is about half an hour to 40 minutes after that opening clip. Just wanted to wait for the workers to go, as I did not want to get them on camera. So we'll just have a bit of a peek at this light rail stop. One thing that I point out at first, I do like this tile work, or paver work, whatever you want to call it. It's a bit different than the other light rail stops along here. Okay. So, what have we got? We've got bins installed, the stop name signs, CCTV, new seats. Passenger information display screens have been installed on both platforms. Whoopsie daisy. Jump down. It's better. Alright, that was a quick and easy one. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll catch you soon. Bye for now.